Hey guys, I thought I'd do a little quickie here on some plastic repair. Now, this is ABS, so you all know that nothing really wants to stick to it. And I'm sure you've seen that specialty glue where you had your liquid and your powder. Well, that basically ended up just being, from what I hear, baking soda and super glue. So there's some kind of reaction between the two, and boy, it sets up like a rock. I've done some stuff here already. So repairing stuff like this is kind of difficult. Like I said, nothing wants to stick. So the biggest thing to do is I take a small burr, and I think you can see all these little areas here, and I'll come in at an angle all the way around wherever the breakage is, and I'll come in at an angle, and that puts in a little undercut for this stuff to set into. And I do the same on this broken pin. I know I could have gotten a new pad, but that's $80, and this is just a few minutes and some super glue and baking soda. So I drill some indents in here, so when you put it together, then you build it up around it like they showed on TV, and that way you have a nice firm hard, almost like a hard plastic support. And so that's about it, really. I'm going to have to do a little grinding down flat on these areas and stuff, but I just wanted to show you, do some undercuts, scrape it up a little bit, kind of deal, and then kind of douse it. I like to put the baking soda in first and then just drop. Watch out, because it'll smoke, and this is, boy, it's just really pungent, and you don't want to get that in your face. But so don't look right over it when you're doing it. But this is how to do a quick repair on some of those plastics that just don't like to be have anything stick to it, so you just lock it in mechanically. Hope this helps. See ya, guys.